Hi guys, welcome to OG Cars, and in today's video we are going to the NEC with the Skoda Fabric Forum, which I'm in now, and we are also taking the blue Wartburg Night. As you guys know, I've just put the engine back in the Wartburg Night and got it all back together. It did about 100 miles yesterday with almost no issues, but now the dynamo's popped. So I've got the battery on charge and I've got a spare battery with me. We're just going to hope that gets us to and from the NEC. Happy days. The Skoda Fabric Forum, we did so much. It's running. But it needs just a couple of little bits for the MOT, unfortunately. So we're going to have to look at that another time, but we're getting it transported there and back. So it will make the NEC in that way. So before we go, we thought we'd give the Skoda Fabric a quick clean. As you may know, it has been stored away from home for quite some time, which is why it's been so hard for us to get to work on it as well. But here we are, the car is clean. And Wade, who's done some transporting jobs for us recently, has picked up the car for us and taken it to the NEC as well. Hi guys, you join us for day one of the NEC. So we had the build-up day yesterday on Thursday. Now today is Friday. We're going to be open to the public very shortly. So we've got the cars on the stands. We've got the Skoda stand here and the Wartburg stand just down there, where my Wartburg Night has just about made it. It has slightly pooped itself, but that's the OG Cars way. So let's go around and see what we can see today.
just a taster of some of our favourites at the restoration show. We absolutely loved the show. Those are just videos from the first day. I'm just going to overlay some videos now from the next couple of days. I just wanted to say a massive thanks to all of the guys on the Skoda stand who helped Georgina to get her Favourite Forum even closer to the road. Now it just needs the rear brakes looking at, so once it's transported back we will look at that. But yeah, it was an absolutely amazing show. It was actually the first time at the NEC for both of us, so it's great to have our cars shown there as well. Apparently the show later in the year at the NEC is even bigger, so hopefully we can get there to that one as well. The Wartburg did actually drive back with no issues. I say that I did have to change the battery once because I was driving back in the dark, and obviously as my dynamo has popped, it is not charging the battery. So yeah, I did swap that over just before I got home. But yeah, it did very well. I was proud of the Wartburg, and Wade managed to deliver us the Forum back as well. So there will be more videos coming on that soon. Please like, comment and subscribe everyone, and please comment down below your favourite car as well. We'll see you all in the next one.